Hey guys, what's up? It's me, 20 Mac from Tampa Bay, and I've got another Topps Allen Ginter 2023. And I'm gonna do a little box break, and hopefully I get another Wemby. Last time I opened this, I received a Wemby. It has some pretty nice cards, so let's see what I get this time. Hopefully I get some nice, good-looking, sharp cards like last time. And again, there are 8 packs, and I'm going to start opening and ripping these right now. 8 packs of 6. There's 48 cards in this retail box. I got for $24.99 at Target. This is my second box of this year's version of Allen Ginter cards. So, wish me luck. So the first, oh my gosh. I did get this guy last time. I'm not sure what this guy's name is. Kyle Gordon and Ezekiel Tovar, Alex Verdugo. Oh my gosh, this is like a repeat of my cards. I wonder if they just print these out. Oh, Victor Wembanyama, a bigger card. 271 bigger card. We've got Roberto Clemente. And music to your ears. Boderan. I don't know what that means. So, yet again, we score another Victor Wembanyama. Wow. Okay, good. So, I don't need to open the rest of them now because I've made back my money just on that one card. Okay. Have a great night, everybody. Let's get now. Now, let me open these. Imagine if I get like 3 Victor Wembanyama's. That'd be awesome. That also kind of sucks because that probably would mean Homeboy's overprinted. Let's see, Nationals. This is a good-looking card. Cade Cavalli. Like, this card almost looks like it's a throwback to like 60s, 70 years ago. Will Clark. Christian Yelich. Jim Throne. I'm sorry, Jim Thome. I'm adding R's here because I'm Spanish. I'm not Spanish. Okay, and Felix Hernandez from the Seattle Mariners. And this little guy is actually a big guy in real life, Steven Strasburg. So, 6 more packs to go. Let's see if we can speed this up. I know time is over the essence, so I value your time, and I hope you value mine as well. Whatever that means. But we got some more here. Looks like there's some personality. Adam Lefko. Okay. Tristan Casas. Looking for his home, aka Casas. Shane Bieber. And I've got Alec Manoa. Check that out. Brett Batty. Ready to, swing his batty. And we've got some birds here. It's called an osprey. So, wow, looks like, it's funny. I don't know if you hear all these weird sounds in the background. People are messaging me, and what's funny is that when I try to message them, I don't hear from them for weeks. And then when I record a video like this, here I'm trying to make some nice videos. This is when people just start messaging me like crazy. It's like, what were you doing the other weeks? Okay, so this is 4 of 8. And let's see what else we got. Corey Lee, smiling very bigly. Dylan sees. He does not cease to exist. He seizes the day. And Crystal Reed. Whoa. You know what? I'm not familiar with her, but I think I'm gonna download all her movies now. Crystal Reed, actress. Wow. What? Jackie Robinson. Wow, this card seems a little thicker. I wonder if this is worth anything more because it's thicker. And everybody, check this out. Korean food, kimchi. Kimchi, which most people don't know. It's a combination of 2 words, Kim and chi. And Bob Gibson, check that out. Bob Gibson. You know what? I almost think I might like this set better than my other break. Even though I had a Wembanyama, the first one, and this one I have another Wembanyama. I like this one. This might be a little better. It might be the, this card. Let's check it out. Wow. This is pack 5 of 8. And let's just try to get through this. Andres Jimenez. Jewel Waters. He draws waters and balls that he hits into the stands. This is a thicker Kenny Lofton jersey. Wow, I think they got a jersey that he wore in his sweat. I'll take offers on this. If you want Kenny Lofton sweat, if you want his butt sweat or whatever, I'm open to offers. Go check this out. I've got Nolan Gorman. And then, here we go. Beach volleyball. I don't know. I wonder if that's Smith, Randy Smith, or whatever their names are. But beach volleyball. So good. We've got 3 more. And we call it a day. So 3 more. 6 of 8. DJ Ski. He's guess what? He's a DJ. Fred Curley. Oh yeah. Our good friend Fred Curley. Brian Bello. Pete Alonso. So I think people like this guy from New York Mets, Pete Alonso. Bryce Harper. I've got a niece named Bryce. And check this out. Stephen Kwan. Not to be confused with Michelle Kwan. And, sorry, I wonder if they're related. I've got 2 more. Here's 7 of 8. 7 of 8. So, no disrespect to the Kwan family. I'm not trying to make fun of y'all. Okay. Corbin Carroll. Looks like Manny Pacquiao here for some reason. Miguel Vargas. Spencer Strider. I'm thinking of that video game Strider now. Anna Lee Waters. I'm not so familiar with her, but she's a professional pickleball player. So she plays with pickle balls. And let's see. Oh wow, let's see. Mandy Bell. Reporter. I'm sure there's a ring your bell kind of joke somewhere there. And get ready. for red-tailed hawk. So, sorry, that's a little louder even for myself. So, let's review. We've got some 2 cute ladies in here, maybe 3. We have Wembanyama, and we've got a jersey of, I think it was Kenny Lofton's, like, um, jersey or shorts. But we've now got Kyle Schultz, Barry Zito, Tommy Henry, looking focused there. Gunnar Henderson. Check out that here, man. No, really. Check out that here, man. And Jim Edmonds. And not last but not least, Willie Stargell. So that's it. I'm Tony Mack here from Tampa Bay. Like, subscribe, follow, comment. Comment in what if you want me to, what sort of packs you want me to break. Maybe I should stick to basketball because I know basketball most, but I'll do anything. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.